will understand why we are making this video. So you just look at this channel once. See its views and its earnings. While these videos are made with almost no effort, not even a voice is needed. And this is not the only channel. There are many such channels on YouTube. If you want, search Mama Cat on YouTube once. To make this type of video, earlier we used many tools and heavy prompts. But now, I will show you how you can create such videos in minutes using just 2 simple tools and some easy prompts, so let's get started.
First, we will go to google.com and type Mama Cat images from YouTube and search. Then we will select one baby cat and one mama cat. I like this baby cat, so I will download it, and I like this mama cat, so I will download it too. After that, we will come to ChatGPT and upload the baby cat image and type, "Create detailed prompt for this cat," and GPT will give us a detailed prompt. Again, we will upload the mama cat picture and type, "Create detailed prompt for only one yellow scarf cat, remove 2 other cats from the image." If you have chosen a single mama cat, then you just have to type, "Create prompt for this cat in detail," and you will get a ready-to-paste prompt from GPT. Next step, type with the help of these 2 characters. Create 5 daily routine ideas for Mama Cat video. You can reduce or increase the number as you want. Here GPT has given me 5 ideas. I find all of them cute, but still, I will go with the first one. I will copy the first idea and type, "Create this into a 30-second story." I am choosing a small story just to show you, but you can increase the number of characters and get a bigger story written as you want. And here GPT has given me the story, which I really liked. Now I will prepare the start frame of each scene of the story by giving a start scene prompt. For this, I will type, "I want to create start scenes of the story, so create scene-wise prompts for Whisk AI." And GPT has given me scene-wise prompts. Now I will again go to the very first prompt, copy it, open Whisk AI, and choose the text-to-picture option under Subject. And here I will generate my first baby character. Again, I will copy the second prompt, click the plus icon above Subject in Whisk, paste the prompt, and generate my second character, the Mama Cat. Then we will copy scene 1 from the Whisk AI prompt, and with both characters selected in Whisk AI, we will paste our prompt there. Choose the video ratio. Since we are creating content for YouTube, we will keep it 16.9 and generate. Whisk gives us 2 images. Download the one you like. For the second scene, we will copy scene 2 from GPT. Keep the characters selected in Whisk, paste the prompt, choose the ratio, and click Generate. Since I don't want the video to be too long, I am showing you only 2 pictures. You can generate all pictures in the same way. After downloading all the images, we will again come to GPT and type, "I have start frames for each scene. Now create video prompts for each scene as I am creating video from VO3. If you're using some other AI, you can write its name and you will get the video prompts. We will copy the first scene and go to Google Flow, then choose Frame to Video. If you're using the paid version, keep the quality setting. For free version users, keep it on fast. Turn number of videos on and keep the ratio 16.9. Then paste your prompt and upload your first image. Then click Go, and you will get your first scene. Follow the same steps for all other scenes. After downloading all the videos, we will go to any free editing software. Here I am using Filmora. Import all the videos and arrange them in sequence. Then add copyright-free music, and our video is ready. See, first look at it.
If my efforts helped you even a little, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy Mama Cat video to you!